And yeah, Friday has been okay actually. It's a little bit like yesterday, but it's weekend now and the trade has been running and it's been okay. It's made some wins, of course. A win on $203, pretty amazing. And a sell, it lost not so much actually. It could have lost a lot more, like 600 to 700 USD in trade, but it lost 135 and 147 and a half at bottom. So it's been running pretty good, like the breakouts are doing fine. I will post the new results tomorrow evening, so it's gonna be a little later, but I think it's gonna be alright. So go and check it out.